welcome back to another episode of SummitLife, everybody. We obviously have the Stradman's Bugatti in our shop once again. This will be the third time it's been in our shop for a vinyl wrap. We are going to be wrapping it a brand new color today. You excited for the new color?
I think this is going to be the best iteration yet.
Now this is the third time we'll be wrapping this Bugatti. The first time, if you guys remember correctly, it was the Stradman Classic purple and white, the two-tone with the white wheels. I think that looked really, really good. Then we unwrapped it and then we wrapped it teal and white in the same color scheme. I think that looked even better personally because it matched with the interior. This one is going to be very unique. We're actually going to be keeping the scheme that is on it right now, the two-tone scheme, where like, you know, this is gonna be one color and then the front fenders and doors will be another color, and it's going to be very loud, very in your face, and I think very clashing to the interior.
I think so as well. For those of you that have been watching us for a long time, you've probably seen us do like 30 wrap videos, so we're gonna kind of switch it up this time. It's gonna be kind of more like a hang out with us while we wrap. So very little time lapses, more time with me and Clayton.
And maybe a tip or trick or two or something. And because you guys have seen so many wrap videos from us, you already know we wash the car, we clay bar the car, we prep the car, we disassemble the car. You guys already all know that. And for the Bugatti, we actually don't really disassemble much. We just take off the engine cover and that's it.
Yes.
But we've already cleaned it.
Yep.
So we just gotta take off the engine cover.
All right, so let's get this out of the way. We've done this 2 times before, and every time it is quite the struggle around the wing. Around the wing. Yeah. That's the weird part, but I'm sure we can do it. Oh, and I'm out. Okay. Wow, that went really smooth. That took like half the amount of time it took us last time. We got this down. That was like the 3rd or 4th or 5th time I've done that. I think I helped James do it a couple times. Successful removal of the clamshell is done. Next up is putting the car up on wheel ramps, and I graciously offered Clayton to do that for him. So I don't know what you're doing. I challenged you to do it. I want to see if you can do it. So the reason we put it up on wheel ramps and not jack stands is because there's really only one jack point. And I use that jack point to use the jack to lift it up, and then how do I get the jack out? Good question. I just set it down on wheel ramps. It's real easy. That's crazy. I thought you were gonna do this. Good job. Okay. Good job. Good job. Good job. Nice. The truth. Flawless. Disassembly of the Bugatti, done. I think we should waste no more time. I'm sure the anticipation is killing you, unless you've already seen James's video, then you already know the color. But I am very excited to announce that the color is very similar to a color on one of our cars. In fact, it's the same exact color, and that's probably why I like it so much. It's reflecting off your skin. Oh, guys, it's pink. It's pink. This is Momentum Pink from KPMF. Honestly, one of the best pinks on the market, if not the best. So we have the same exact pink on our Lamborghini Gallardo, and we've had that pink on there for what, over a year? Yeah, over a year. We still love it. We love it so much. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we're starting this at 10:23 on a Saturday night. And we have to get it done when? By Monday. We have to get this done by Monday, so there's tons of time. There's a kind of a time crunch here. What is that? Is that downward dog you're doing? Upward dog. Is that upward dog? You doing yoga? Attaboy. You just do you, bud. We're laying on more pink. More pink. Let's see, let's see. Oh man, that's a lot of pink. Yeah, it's very bright. It's wigging out my eyes. I am working on the front bumper, so I've got one inlay here and another inlay here. Cool. I always love how buttery smooth fresh vinyl feels. Yes, especially with like a wrap glove on. Yeah. Rear hip number 1 is completed, and I think Clayton and I are gonna call it because it's almost 1 a.m. and we still have a long day of wrapping tomorrow.
Yes, but I think we should be able to get this thing completed tomorrow.
Oh boy.
It'll be a long day, but I mean, we've only been working on this for 3 hours.
3 hours, we've got the rear hip, the roof, the hood, and the front bumper done. Good night, Bugatti. We'll see you in the morning. Nothing like some protein waffles to fuel me for the long day ahead. I don't think Clayton's ready. Are you ready for the long day ahead of us?
Yep.
Yeah, that's not very convincing.
Well, I tried to get up early to get back to work, but ended up taking a nap. So,
That's okay.
But it's wrapping time, isn't it?
Yep. It's wrap o'clock. Chop chop, we gotta get going. Traffic's pretty heavy this time of day.
We gotta beat it.
We're already behind schedule.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Beep beep.
Well, traffic wasn't too bad this morning. Commute was nice and quick. Let's get right back to work.
We're pretty spoiled here at Summit Auto Lab. We actually live directly above the shop, so when it's time to start working, it takes us about 30 seconds to get to work. Well, we got no time to waste, so we're gonna start with the second rear hip. So satisfying.
It's my middle name.
Clayton Satisfying Stark.
Yep.
Okay, interesting. People that have never watched this before are probably wondering how these two idiots managed to get a Bugatti in their wrap shop.
So while Faith finishes up the rear bumper there, I'm gonna get going on the secondary color. Now, you guys are probably aware that this is the only Bugatti Veyron in Utah, and with the spec that it came from factory, it might be hidden in traffic, but not anymore. After we are done here, nobody is going to miss this thing out on the road.
Yeah, you guys remember that bit where Clayton said that nobody's gonna miss this car on the road? This is why. This is going pink and chrome, and when we mean chrome, I mean look at it, it's a mirror. How's it to install?
Rough.
Yeah.
But we're getting it.
And this is definitely the thickest vinyl I've ever felt.
Yeah, this chrome looks so good, but it's notoriously difficult to install.
Yeah, I can see why.
Yeah.
Wow, this is really crazy to look at. What do you think's harder to look at, the pink or the chrome? Because you see yourself in the chrome.
The chrome is easier on my eyes for sure, because I'm looking at myself.
Oh.
No, the pink strains my eyes.
Yeah, it's pretty loud. It's pretty loud color. What do you think, Sal? You want to see what you look like in the chrome? Sal, look. That's you. Look at you. The pink is definitely clashing with the interior, although I do love the interior all by itself. It's super timeless. But Clayton, have you ever heard of the BB compartment?
BB compartment?
Yeah, there's a secret BB compartment inside every Bugatti.
I haven't.
Let me show you guys. You come in here, you see this logo on the back here? There's a secret button, and what it does is you press it open, and it opens the Bugatti burger compartment in case you ever get hungry. You've been working pretty hard, so I got a Bugatti burger from the compartment for you. Clayton is putting the finishing touches for the grand reveal to James. How do you think this turned out?
I think it turned out very uniquely.
I'm actually surprised at how much I actually like it.
Yeah, it turned out really good.
Did someone order a Barbie Bugatti?
James did.
James did. All right, well, we'll see you guys when James arrives. It is reveal day. James has just arrived, a little early, but that's okay because we are ready for him. Let's go unveil the car. I don't think you're ready for this.
I cannot wait.
This is probably the best iteration of Bugatti you've done yet.
I think so. It's definitely the craziest for sure. I've talked about doing this scheme for a long time. I can't wait to see it.
It's a total Barbie car now.
Okay, that's fair.
Seriously lucked out this morning. It's been raining off and on, but as soon as James pulled in, the sun came out, we put the cover on the Bugatti, and are you ready to see it?
Dude, I cannot wait. Faith just described it as a Barbie car though, but you got a Barbie car too.
I know, we've been kind of, we've nicknamed it the Barbie Bug.
I guess I can live with that.
The Barbie Bug and the Barbie,
confident enough.
The Barbie Gallardo, I guess.
The Barbie Lambo.
The Barbie Lambo and the Barbie Bug. I like Barbie Bug a lot better.
You did send me one photo like
Yes.
a couple days ago. It looks crazy.
Yes, completely new car. It went from old man spec to little girl spec.
Of all the wraps I've done ever, I think this is the one I'm the most excited about. I don't know what Clayton is doing.
I'm filming for my
Luke, we might have to blur that out right now. That was special. All right, at any moment, let's see this baby.
Ready?
Oh, yes.
Go.
Oh my goodness, are you kidding me? What? That's ridiculous.
I know.
Oh my gosh. Luke, dude, the reflection.
Yeah, Utah's most eligible Barbie right there. Look at it, this is sick.
Wow, way to ruin the moment.
Pretty sick, right?
Oh my, yeah. Dude, it's I can't take my eyes off of it.
It's completely new car. Well, this is technically the first time I've seen the car in the sun. This morning it looked so good under the cloud cover and with the green background.
Yeah.
But in the sun, it's unreal. It's a completely different car in the sun.
Kind of blinding in the sun.
It's literally
Look
blinding.
straight at it.
So we are pretty much done with this. Just gotta hand James over the keys. Here are the keys.
Thank you, sir.
Sorry, putting you on camera.
Dude, thank you so much. It looks amazing.
Totally
We wrapped
different.
this in like 48 hours too. I don't know how you guys do it so fast.
Faith.
Thank you.
She's the reason.
Thank you.
Okay, all right, fine, I'll take some
Appreciate
credit.
it.
So wrapping the Bugatti in the past has taken me like 4 days. And this time, because I've duplicated myself, it only took 2. We are really looking forward to filming more videos for you guys. We have plenty in the works, and we have some really fun ideas coming soon. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, click subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.